In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a winning product tracker in Google Sheets. We'll set up a simple, reliable worksheet that calculates profit, profit margin, and automatically tells you whether a product is worth pursuing. Start by arranging your columns so row 2 contains your first product. Use column A for product name, B for cost, C for selling price, D for monthly sales, E for profit, F for profit margin percent, and G for status. Make sure cost, selling price, and monthly sales are numbers, not text, so formulas calculate correctly. Let's calculate profit. Click cell E2 and type ISHIS C2B2. This subtracts the cost from the selling price, giving you the profit for that product. If you see a negative number, it means your cost is higher than your selling price. Keep your currency formatting consistent so the numbers are easy to read. Next, add profit margin. Click F2 and type equals E2/C2. 100. This divides profit by selling price and converts it to a percentage. After entering the formula, format F2 as a percent so you see a clean percentage rather than a long decimal. You can also set the decimal places to 1 or 2 for clarity. Now let's make the decision, logic that flags winning products. In G2, enter SOL I, F and E2, 500 balls or F2, 30 balls, D2 is 50 odds. Winning product, skip. This checks 3 things at once. Profit is at least 500, profit margin is at least 30%, and monthly sales are at least 50. If all 3 conditions are met, you'll see winning product. Otherwise, it will say skip. Adjust your column widths if the text is cut off. To keep your sheet clean while you're still filling in data, use a safe version of that formula so it doesn't evaluate when cells are empty. Replace the formula in G2 with SLIF count, B2, D2, 3, F, and E2, $500, F2, 30,000, D2, was 50/50s, winning product. Skip. The count check looks for 3 numeric entries in B2 through D2. If all 3 are present, it runs the decision. If not, it leaves the cell blank. This prevents messy results before your inputs are complete. Once G2 works, copy it down for the rest of your products. Click G2, then drag the small blue square at the bottom right corner down the column to fill the formula for each row. As you add more products in row 3, row 4, and beyond, your profit margin and status will update automatically. That's it. With these formulas in place, you'll instantly see which products are worth your attention and which to skip.